Why your salary disappears faster than you think? You get paid, and within days, it feels like nothing is left. No big purchases, no luxury spending, so where's the money actually going? Let's be honest, this is frustrating. You work hard for your salary, you wait the whole month for it, and the moment it arrives, it feels good for a few days. But then something strange happens. You check your account and the balance is already low, and your first thought is, I didn't even spend that much. But here's the uncomfortable truth. The problem is not one big expense, it's a pattern. A pattern of small, invisible leaks that slowly drain your money without you noticing. Reason 1, fixed expenses eat your money first. The moment your salary comes in, a large part is already gone. Rent, EMIs, bills, subscriptions, but because you don't feel this money leaving, your brain ignores it. So you think you still have more than you actually do. That's the first illusion. Now comes the silent killer, small spending that feels harmless. Coffee, food delivery, Ubers. Individually, they feel like nothing, just a few dollars here and there, but your brain never tracks small pain properly. So you keep spending without emotional resistance, and that's why it adds up so fast. Reason 3, lifestyle quietly expands. Every salary increase slightly changes your lifestyle. Better food, better phone. Nothing extreme, but constant upgrades, so even when your income grows, your freedom doesn't. You just move into a more expensive version of the same life. It's a treadmill that never stops. Reason 4, you save only what is left. This is the biggest trap. Most people think, I'll save what's left at the end. But here's the truth. There is almost never anything left, because spending always adjusts to fill the gap. So saving becomes accidental, not intentional, and accidental saving never builds wealth. Reason 5, the credit card delay illusion. It makes spending feel painless because you don't feel the money leaving. Your brain disconnects from reality, so spending increases without emotional friction. Debt builds in the background. Quiet, invisible, consistent. It's the weight you don't feel until it's too late. Now let's fix this. Simply. First, track your spending for just 30 days, not forever, just once. Awareness will shock you. Second, automate savings. The moment your salary comes in, move a fixed amount to savings immediately, before anything else. Third, control small spending, don't eliminate it, set a limit. Awareness reduces impulse spending naturally. Fourth, lock lifestyle upgrades. Save at least 50% of any raise before upgrading. Make saving automatic and spending harder. If your salary came in today, how much do you think would still be there after 7 days? Be honest. Comment your habit change below. Subscribe to Wealth Insure Lab for more. See you in the next one.